As part of his speech, the Prime Minister outlined how India is already on the path towards growth, and amongst other things, he spoke about the rise in exports and increasing trust of global institutions in India. Let's listen into that.
ग्लोबल ग्रोथ में भारत का योगदान बड़ा है। भारत का एक्सपोर्ट लगातार बढ़ रहा है। विदेशी मुद्रा भंडार लगातार बढ़ा हुआ है, पहले से 2 गुना पहुंचा है। ग्लोबल संस्थानों का भारत के प्रति भरोसा बढ़ा है।
Lloyd, if global institutions are trusting India more, and then the Prime Minister's call to trust pink paper editorial less comes from that.
I think we'll have to factor in some of these aspects. I do agree that it's normal for a politician to take a shot at pink paper edits, and I think to some extent there is some validity there. I won't go into the specifics behind that. But what I would certainly say is that and I fully conceive the fact that as a nation we have a lot to celebrate. I think some of the things that we have done are truly the envy of the rest of the world. I think our digital public infrastructure, if you look at just something as simple as UPI, I think that's something that we can certainly feel proud about. But while on a momentous day like Independence Day, we celebrate these victories, I think we can't look away at some of the serious issues on the ground, right? I think clearly our big concerns really have to be about MSMEs, right? While the Prime Minister talked about banking being, the NPAs coming down and our banks being more robust, do we have enough of a credit line to the MSME sector? That is where there's a large chunk, a third of our population effectively is involved in some way with MSMEs. Now, until that begins to become a labor generator, until MSMEs end up doing some form of exports, I think we will continue to be a laggard. That's one area. The other point that's not going away in a hurry, despite all that has been said, is that the ease of doing business, right? Red tapeism, bureaucracy is still very rampant, right? If you just look at global investors, the moment they come into India, they face a whole series of hurdles between intent and actual action on the ground. I think that's an issue. The other point that understandably wasn't really covered is what about environmental concerns? We are seeing it in all our cities. A little monsoon, roads going to disarray, pollution at various, India ranks among the highest in most of our cities. I think environmental concerns are real. And it is incumbent upon the administration to actually address issues of that sort. Then, of course, things like safety of women, right? We're seeing the whole, the fracas around the Calcutta rape victim. I think there are a lot of social issues that also need tackled. While I understand that the Independence Day speech is not some time to review all these aspects, right. I think until some of these impediments get addressed, our economy and Viksit Bharat will still remain a bit of a dream.